Hi, I'm introducing our classic CCS2 connector, which has been in use for almost 5 years by our customers in EU. With continuous improvements, it can now support up to 350 amp of continuous charging with natural cooling. It is TUV, CE, CB, UKCA certified and ready for use in your CCS2 chargers. Thanks to the ultrasonic welding technology, the resistance between pins and wires is reduced to almost zero, preventing overheating connectors during fast charging session. We could also provide ODM services so that we could customize your logo here, length of the cable, color of the cable, per your specific needs. Thank you.